In this video, I'll show you how to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over using the new interface. But first, this is permanent and there's no undo. So make sure you're in the correct company and export anything you might need later. QuickBooks only allows a full wipe for newer files, so the first step is confirming your company is within the eligible window. If it is, sign in as an admin and open the official wipe page in your browser, app.qbo.intuit.com/app/purge-company. You'll land on a confirmation screen where you must type yes, then follow the prompts to approve the wipe and select wipe data, which resets transactions and lists, so you can start fresh without creating a new subscription. After the reset, you'll need to reconfigure settings like taxes, bank connections, and your chart of accounts. If your file is older than the allowed window, you can't purge it. Your clean slate option is starting a new company file instead. Subscribe for more QuickBooks guides that keep your setup clean and stress-free.